guys, welcome to the channel. This is one of our personal cars. It's Hamza's EK4. So yes, Hamza, you're right.
Yo, what's going on?
Alright, so we're just going to do a quick review of the car. So let's talk about how much bhp is it running.
So this car is completely stock at the moment. It's got 160 bhp. I haven't really modded it that much. We can have a look at the engine bay.
Yeah.
So the only mods that I have done is you got a carbon wheel intake, which I believe is Tegiwa, but you can correct me if I'm wrong. And then you got a Tegiwa rad aluminium one with the fan, and also the hose pipes, black ones. The manifold is also a Tegiwa manifold. I believe it's was it 421?
Yeah, 421.
421, yeah, they call it. Everything other than that and the battery is more or less OEM.
So looking at the front headlights now, where did you get these headlights from?
These headlights are actually imported from America. Seen them on eBay and I just had to get them.
Yeah, they look nice.
Yeah. I believe there's only 2 cars in the UK that actually have them headlights, and I know the other guy's name's John Hancliffe, but other than that I haven't really seen anybody else that's put these headlights on the car.
Okay, so yeah, talk me through a bit of the bodywork, because it's looking really clean, you know.
Bodywork was done about a year ago.
About a year ago,
yeah. I had it full resprayed. I'll post some photos on the screen. Full respray was done on it. Lamp panel was changed also, because it was all like rusting around here and stuff like that.
Arches are fully welded out.
Arches been fully welded or that again. Obviously, as you know, Hondas, they do tend to rust.
Okay, so now go into the spoiler.
So this is carbon fiber type R EK9 style spoiler.
Yeah, that looks nice.
It's genuine carbon fiber. Obviously, I know some people would say that it's been wrapped.
Yeah, that's clean. And what about the side skirts and the splitters?
So the side skirts obviously are OEM. They come with the car.
Yeah.
But the rear splitter, I'm not sure where I bought it from, but the front and rear splitter obviously aftermarket, but nothing special. It just makes the car look a bit more.
Makes it look mean, innit?
Yeah, exactly. So these wheels are actually Japan Racing JR3s, 15-inch.
15-inch.
And they're running Michelin Pilot Sport 3s, which are 195, 50, 15. They actually handle pretty well, to be fair, because obviously I've taken it on track.
Yeah.
And, actually grips really well.
That's good. And the car's sitting quite low as well, isn't it? It's got a nice fitment to it.
Oh yeah.
So
because it's actually sitting on Meister R Coilovers, which I did get a few opinions of people, and I ended up buying the Meister R's because I know they got yellow speeds, and there's a few other brands, but I believe Meister R's, a lot of people will tell you on Hondas Meister R's are the ones to get.
And what's it like handling on corners?
Oh yeah, it's really well, man. Honestly, stays planted.
Alright, so what kind of other suspension mods have you done to it?
So underneath, it's got fully Hardrace, literally from front lower of the car to the rear. It's all just Hardrace, so Hardrace lower control arms, Hardrace upper control arms. The wishbone in the front is Hardrace. All the gear linkages are Hardrace, and also the anti-roll bar linkages are all Hardrace. So it's basically just solid underneath.
Basically solid. Yeah. So the inside's got EK9 Recaro seats there. The floor mats are OEM Honda ones, which are nice. I know Hamza's, he's put the red velvet cover on himself, which is really nice as well. The Recaro cushions, eBay's finest. And yeah, as you can see inside, it's just like a really nice old classic look. Simple steering wheel. I know he's put an aftermarket stereo in, which is nice as well.
So now we're going to go on a little test drive and give you a little blast.
Yeah.
So enjoy.
Let's get it.
Grab the keys first.
These boys are just chilling. Yeah. Pops out and it's like a just sounds wicked and
Proper, man. Honestly, man, just especially for like a stock engine, like.
yeah. You've got the middle section done on the exhaust, haven't you?
Oh yeah, recently, yeah, from MIJ Performance. I think I got, see, 2.5 inch, I believe it was.
Yeah.
Left.
Yeah, go left. Yeah, that's made a real big difference.
Big
hasn't it?
difference, yeah. Like before, it wasn't even popping and banging, but now, like, it pops.
Yeah, it picks up speed so well.
Makes a big difference. And the manifold, you know, you're a Tegiwa manifold.
Yeah.
Honestly, man, it's just made such a big difference. Like, I never thought how much of a difference it would make.
Yeah.
But these are like small mods, you know, like eventually, like maybe like in a year or so, I would love to turbo it.
Turbo it.
Honestly, man, turbo.
Run about how much?
Yeah.
350 is it? 350
I
brake?
believe you could get about, from the stock engine with like nothing done internally,
Yeah.
you get about at least 300 to 350 safe without the engine obviously blowing up.
Yeah, yeah.
You get it safe. Or like, obviously, once you get it like inside, you get it sleeved and all that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
You could get like DMO. What is DMO's EK9 fetching about? Close to 1,000 bhp, man.
Yeah,
So
that's pushing a lot.
this shows, man, it's crazy, man, for a 4-cylinder Honda engine.
Yeah.
How much you can get.
They just never break, innit?
Yeah, just like such a reliable car. Obviously, I've made it more reliable now.
Yeah.
Obviously, I had a bit of issues there, here and there, engine oil leak, which I've sorted out eventually. But you know, like other than that, people say like they drink oil as well. I've now noticed this car drinking oil.
Yeah.
I'm not since I fixed the engine oil leak.
Okay.
So So I don't know if everybody's Honda's leak engine.
Not even when you're
oil.
hitting VTEC a lot as well.
Nah, I've not noticed. I've checked the oil weekly, so I haven't really noticed any of it. Like,
Okay.
going. Baffle sump I've got in it, but obviously, I'll be honest, I don't really know much about them. I just had it fitted, so I was told to get a baffle sump, so I just got a baffle sump for it.
You just can't beat a sunroof, innit?
Nah, no, man. Like, optional extra and like every car nowadays.
Now that I've had a sunroof, I just can't go back to not having one.
Nah, honestly, man, this sunroof is just.
It's just a must have.
Must have, yeah. 370, is it? 350, is it? Quite a few cars around here.
Yeah, there is.
This is Selly, by the way. Known for hair, but everybody calls him Selly.
Yeah.
We'll have his car on the channel as well soon. I would keep you a surprise, but he can tell you what it is.
Yeah, it's a EJ9, but it's got B18 in it. It's EK rep. You know, it's got all the Recaro red seats in it. So yeah.
Honestly, if you look at the car, you wouldn't think it's a rep. Honestly,
Yeah, I
man.
get that a lot.
It looks exactly like an EK9, like a VSM, I think they call them.
Yeah.
The silver ones.
This thing is planted.
Puts it down, isn't it? Like, honestly,
Yeah.
man. I don't think not even once I've driven this car here where he hasn't put a smile on my face.
Yeah.
Like
100%.
160 bhp is nothing, by the way. You know, if you ask like German car owners and stuff like that,
Yeah.
they'll tell you. But honestly, my 160 just in this car,
This
feels
one,
crazy.
it's just
man.
different. You can have 400 bhp in a car like that, and
Yeah,
you
I
just
swear.
won't feel it.
Nah,
But
never.
in this, you'll
feel
feel
it every
every
time, man.
moment.
These are still walking here. They should drove past some ages ago.
I know, yeah. He's like, yeah, that's his car. Launch time. It's just rapid, man. Nasty potholes.
I know, man. Guys, so thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.